Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Habib Ahmed, and today I'm going to show you how to export high resolution images from Microsoft PowerPoint. Well, a lot of time we need high resolution images for publication purposes. Like for example, a lot of scientific journals have a requirement of image quality of 300 DPI, which stands for dots per inch, for publication purposes, or some of them even have a requirement of higher quality image so that we can publish image without blurring, without breaking out of the pixels of the image. There are two terminologies for describing the resolution of an image. One is PPI, which stands for pixels per inch, and the second one is DPI, which stands for dots per inch. PPI defines the resolution of an image in pixels per inch for a digital image, while DPI describes the number of dots per inch on a printed image. So PPI largely refers to the screen display, and it affects the print quality as well, while on the other hand DPI has nothing to do with the digital image, but it primarily affects the print quality. So today I'm going to show you how to export high resolution images from Microsoft PowerPoint, and for that purpose I already have opened a file in Microsoft PowerPoint. You can see it over here. Here is a growth plan for the beryllium doped aluminum nitride, in which you can see there are so many different layers with a lot of small text over here. Now, in order to save this file as an image, we go to File and then click on Save As. Then let me save it as a PNG file, and let me save it at the desktop, and let me name it as 96 DPI. So I'm saving it as 96 DPI because by default images in Microsoft PowerPoint are saved as 96 dots per inch images. So I'm going to click on save, and I'm saving just this slide. Generally there is only one slide over here in this Microsoft PowerPoint file anyway. So then I go to the image and I open this image, and as you can see over here we have the image, and I zoom in on the image, keep zooming in on the image, and we see that at a certain point the pixels of the image, they start breaking up. So if I save it as a high resolution image, then the pixels of the text do not break out. And also for this 96 DPI image, if you go to properties and then click on details, you see that the resolution of this image in terms of PPI is 1152 by 1248, and the size of this image is 174 KB. If you want to look at the DPI information of that image as well, we can open this file with Paint, and then I go to File, Properties, and it gives us the information of this picture in pixels per inch and also in DPI. So as you can see that this picture has 96 dots per inch, or it has a resolution of 96 DPI. So now I'm going to show you how to save this picture with 300 DPI or even 600 DPI, and then we can see the effect of that on the quality of the image. So for that purpose, what we need to do is we go to Run, and then we enter Registry Edit in Search, click Yes. Further, I go to hkey_current_user, and then we click on software, then we click on Microsoft, then we click on Office, then we click on 16, then PowerPoint, and then we click on options. And over here we right click in this window and then click on new and define a new D word with either 32-bit with the 32-bit value, and I'm going to name it as export a bitmap resolution. Click enter and then double click on this file, click on decimal, and over here we can set its value. So I'm gonna set its value to 600 DPI. Click OK. Minimize this window. In fact, we can exit this window now. And now I'm going to give it a try once again. So I'm going to open this file once again. And click on File, Save As, PNG, Browse. I'm gonna save it at desktop once again, and I will name it as 600 DPI, dots per inch this time. Click on Save, just this one. Minimize these two windows, and I'm gonna bring it over here for comparison purpose. So first of all, we can have a quick comparison of the two files. The 96 DPI file has a size of 176 kilobytes, and it has a resolution of 1152 by 1248 PPI, pixels per inch, while the 600 DPI has a size of 2.02 MB, and it has 7200 by 7800 pixels per inch. And we can also see the DPI information of this file by opening this file in Paint, and then click on File, Properties, and we see the resolution of this file is 600 DPI. Further, I'm gonna open these two files in separate windows for comparison purpose. So move it over here, move the 600 DPI file over here, and then I'm going to start zooming in on these files. Like for example, here is the 96 DPI one, and now I'm gonna zoom in on the other file as well. So as you can see at this point, let me zoom in on the 1.3 point. So as you can see over here that the pixels of the 96 DPI file have started breaking out, while the pixels of the 600 DPI, they are still intact. So here is the comparison of the two files. then the 600 DPI file gives much better quality as compared to the 96 DPI file. So saving images with 300 DPI gives much better resolution as compared to the by default settings of the Microsoft PowerPoint. And the 300 and 600 DPI files are further suitable for publication purposes in scientific journals, and they are also suitable for printing posters and also printing standees and other kind of stuff. So I hope this short session was useful for you, and keep tuning to my channel for more informative future videos as well. Till then, take care. Bye.